Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change language in Character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Character AI, then after, at the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Then after, over here you can see a wheel or a gear icon, that is settings. Tap on it, then scroll a little down. There you'll see English and tap on it. Here you can see Francis, Italiano, Policies, Hindi, and many other languages that you would like to use. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.